Good evening, everyone, chair and members. I'm Brett Thurber, co-owner of The New Wheel. My wife and I have sold and serviced electric bikes in the Bay Area for 16 years with stores in San Francisco, Oakland, and Marin. Our daughter grew up on the back of an e-bike. We raised our family without a car. In 2016, we worked with former Assembly Member David Chiu to pass AB 1096, the three-class framework that matches federal law and is now law in 45 states. Tens of thousands of our customers today rely on legal Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 e-bikes as safe, sustainable, healthy, and critically affordable transportation for their families. I'm here to respectfully urge you to reject AB 1557. The real problem on our streets is illegal e-motos. This bill does nothing about them. It just punishes the workers, families, and commuters by making legal e-bikes more expensive and less capable. And it will decimate the legal e-bike industry, which is really important, including my shop. Small businesses like ours and other bike shops in California, and the fact is also California is a leader in e-bikes in the bicycle industry in the nation. Many of the bicycle brands' headquarters are in California, and those businesses will also be threatened because of this bill. AB 1557's 250-watt cap effectively bans hub drive e-bikes, which also happen to be the most affordable segment of the market. Hub motors can't climb California's hills at 250 watts. My bike, for my daughter, that's a 350-watt e-bike, just to climb a hill in San Francisco. Only a more expensive mid-drive motor can do that. And I'd love to talk about the science on this because it's really interesting. But as the doctor pointed out, he was talking about 20-mile-per-hour bikes, regular bikes going 20 miles per hour. E-bikes go 20 miles per hour. It's the same there. And a strong cyclist, they put out about 350 to 400 watts.
And I'll have to have you wrap up.
So this bill would give California the dubious distinction of having different standards than every other state and country in North America. So one last thing I'll just mention is I talked to many of your aides. Many of them have electric bikes currently. They ride legal hub drive e-bikes. One of them bought that e-bike after the Strait of Hormuz crisis, and with spiraling gas prices, that's exactly who this bill is going to affect.
Thank you. All right.
Good evening, Chair and members.